Today we have the latest INMOTION RS 2.0. So I have the team over at INMOTION that will explain to me what they have changed and improved on the new INMOTION RS.
屏幕改为触摸屏。
Okay, so the latest INMOTION RS Jet display has been used on the 2026 INMOTION RS. It comes with touchscreen display. The shape is exactly the same as the RS. Handlebars, the length has been increased a lot compared to the INMOTION RS. So they can use the latest handlebars on their RS. We will offer that as well.
半转马油吗？改为直播油吗？直播油没？
So the half twist throttle has been removed and they are using the RS Jet throttle. We have received so many positive feedback on the RS thumb throttle that they have decided to add this on the INMOTION RS 2.0.
刹车器由原2活塞改为4活塞。
The brake caliper, it has went from 2 pistons to 4 pistons now. They will try it out to put a new type of brake levels on the latest RS. So it will be a way bigger upgrade than what we have today. The headlight will be changed. I'll put image over this video. Over here, this is the built-in steering damper for the RS where you can adjust it, but the 2.0 version not only comes with a built-in steering damper, will also come with an external steering damper. 轮胎吗？
轮胎增加那个骨灰胶。
Okay, so in the 2.0 version, the tire will come with a self-sealing gel, but this is not the tire that they will be using on the RS 2.0. So in the 2.0 version, the motor wire has been updated with a larger pin. For those who know, this is the same pin that is used on the Roadrunner Pro. The pins are larger to allow more heat and current to pass through without the cables melting and getting fused together. Because the cables has been updated with higher tolerance and current to allow it to go through, with the increased motor wattage on the RS 2.0, we are looking at 2.2 kilowatt per motor. The controllers used on the RS 2.0 has now been fully unlocked. They feel that they can fully unleash the power that the controller can pull to bring to the motors. We are looking at a higher top speed of about 20% increase. So whatever you're feeling on the RS now, we can go 20% stronger acceleration and top speed. So that's all we have for the RS 2.0. What do you think about these latest updates? Leave a comment under the comment section below to let me know what you think on the latest RS 2.0. See you on the next video. Thank you.